everyone, we're going to find the derivative of the function using the fundamental theorem of calculus, part 1. So we usually call that fundamental theorem of calculus, part 1. Like that. And here's our function y. So we want to use part 1 here. We want to set it up like this. Instead of g of x, we have y. So basically, we want to make it look like this. And the problem is we have a tan of x here in the upper limit, and it should be x, so we're going to have to correct that. And then we want, instead of g of x, I'm going to call this y prime, since we have y, should equal f of x. Or you could say the derivative of y with respect to x should equal f of x. Okay. Now, so let's use u substitution because I need just a single variable there, not tan of x. So we're going to let u equal tan of x. So the derivative of u with respect to x equals secant squared of x. Now, what we need is derivative of y. This part here, derivative of y, we're looking at this, with respect to x equals derivative of y. I can put that over 1 times the derivative of x. And the reason I'm doing this is I need to have my derivative of u. So instead of 1, I'm going to put derivative of u. Because derivative of u divided by derivative of u, they cancel out. Or you can just say du divided by du. So these equal. So I want my f of x to equal derivative of y with respect to u times the derivative of u with respect to x. This is your f of x. Once we get that, we have our derivative, because that equals f of x. That's how we're going to set it up. So first of all, we're going to write this as y prime. We're going to find the derivative equals, when you differentiate our function, so we just write tan of x to 0, and then just copy all this down. Square root of t plus square root of t dt. All right. Remember, this derivative of y is the same as derivative of y with respect to x. Now, let's do the derivative of u. So if we do that, we're going to get derivative of differentiate with respect to u. You just write u to 0 and copy this down again. All right, but what we want is we want derivative of y with respect to x times derivative of u with respect to x. So, because that's going to give me my answer. So let's just multiply both sides by derivative of u with respect to x. I'm making it probably more complicated than I have to, but I want you to get the concept. All right, so now that we have that, we can use our substitution. So we have this. This is going to be our answer. So plug in your u, and you're going to get u plus square root of u times the derivative of u with respect to x. And then just substitute. This is going to be square root of, let me see if I can squeeze it in here, tan of x plus square root of, I can't squeeze it in, tan of x times secant. So if I can erase this real quick. All right. And then we're going to times it by derivative of u with respect to x, which is secant squared of x. And this is your final answer. All right. This is one of those problems you kind of have to think about a little bit. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.